Hey guys, we're going to go in and check out Meow Wolf in Grapevine, Texas. There's several across the country. I got press passes for this. I'm really excited to check it out. I want to thank Meow Wolf for providing those. We're going to take a look inside. This is an interactive art exhibit that I hear is really cool, so let's check it out. All right, we are working our way up to the entrance. The real, unreal. Wow, so we're at a mall. Meow Wolf is in a mall, and we're instantly transported into this kind of strange, eerie neighborhood. Ooh, what's in here? Let's check it out.
Go back to the fire. Go. Look at the tree. Now.
Wow. Wait, heavy on the atmosphere. Really neat place. Very colorful. And the thing about it, I didn't do any research before coming here. So every place I go here at Meow Wolf, don't know what to expect. And let's go in the house and see what there is to see. Thing about Meow Wolf is I didn't do any research before I came here, so I have no idea what to expect. Oh, pardon me. Ordinary looking cabinet, but boom, little critters. We have what looks like an ordinary sink, but underneath, what in Sam Hill? Let's go upstairs and see what's happening up there. Didn't know what to expect with Meow Wolf, but this part in the house, it's set up to look normal, but then you'll just see kind of odd things as you go, such as this nifty poster, this odd little aquarium here, and a touch of retro gaming. Cool. Looks like an ordinary closet here. Then you open it up. Got a really funky background. It's a mix of the mundane and the fantastical. If you go through this linen closet here, you look around the corner here, and there's a very spooky path to another room. Really juxtaposing the normal with the outre. All right, guys, let's go to the bathroom. Some funky wallpaper here, but it only gets funkier. There's a critter on the toilet. See what happens when you flush. And let's turn on the water. Ooh, cool. Continuing on here. This whole thing is built sort of like a maze. Sort of a cross between a haunted house and interactive art. And suddenly we approach just a normal looking door. It almost looks like an exit door to the outside. But at this place, you never know. So let's go in. Here you go. It's this really beautiful room with these art installations. Really colorful. No problem at all. Really fascinating place. Again, we're at Meow Wolf in Grapevine, Texas at the Grapevine Mills Mall. Continuing on, we come upon a piano that would make Elton John proud, or perhaps Liberace. Pretty cool. Continuing down the hall, come to another mundane looking door. What could be inside? Really bizarre. Meow Wolf is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
You need salt, pepper, and ketchup.
What the heck, Ian? I found you.
Oh yeah, Leo? This is you.
Some ginormous feet. Who's that creepy little dude? Could this be the exit to the outdoors? Another mundane looking door and another really interesting and colorful room here. Pretty fascinating place to explore. Suddenly I'm sort of in a central hub area. Definitely a lot of kids here, but it's definitely a place where an adult can be a kid, if you will. Leading us to another stairway. Never know what's going to be around the corner here. And we're back to where we were. Let's go back downstairs. This place is definitely a maze. It's pretty massive. It's kind of hard to gauge just how big it is because it's of its labyrinthine status. How do you say that? Labyrinthian? Hidden capsule motel. This kind of reminds me of the little hotels I've heard about in Japan where real estate is limited and they stay in these little capsule hotels. Guys, they even have an arcade here, but it's a very strange arcade. Check out this claw machine with really random and strange items that you can't get. Kind of like a real claw machine, difficult. But obviously these items are not accessible, and just the games are semi-playable, but just very strange. Dreamfather loves you. Press start. In this game, you are the controller.
Let me show you something.
Not really a game per se, it's more of just a little visual presentation. Pretty trippy. Cool wall decor in the arcade. And at the back of the arcade is this sort of strange pseudo vending machine. Got all kinds of creepy things. And check out the selections, including gender fluid. That's pretty funny. And this is actually doubles as a door to another maze, to another room. Spooky. Look at that little birdie. This leads out into another big room. There are only 5 or 6 Meow Wolf locations in the United States, and we're just lucky to have one here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Continuing on, let's go upstairs here. Who's that dude flying through the air? Kind of has a strange jungle vibe. On like a distant planet, perhaps. In some bizarre fantasy film. Hello, sitting down just for a sec. And this is what I'm going to call the watermelon room. Definitely not a seedless watermelon. Don't think that's what it's supposed to be, but it's definitely giving me watermelon vibes. And yet another, not quite so ordinary looking door, but who knows what we'll find inside. Hey, Ryan. I got some pastel colors going on here. And let's look in the little ice cream cart here. Does that look yummy to you? Let's go in the refrigerator. Totally bizarre. Didn't even know this room was here. What could be in here? Oh my. Let's see what's through this refrigerator. Is that a man from Mars? The Forgotten Pocket. What kind of crazy place have we stumbled into?
Dad's waiting for me.
And washers and dryers that you can go through, slide through to another room. Just an ordinary freezer? Or is it? It is during the middle of the day, sunny outside, but it totally feels like nighttime here at one section of Meow Wolf. All right, guys, that was Meow Wolf. Let me know in the comments what you think. What was your favorite exhibit? Have you been to Meow Wolf before? And if you have, what city did you go to? I'd be really curious to go to some other ones and see the differences. I hear each one has its own unique themes and exhibits. Anyway, thanks again to Meow Wolf for having me out to cover this place. One of the coolest things about being a journalist and YouTuber is getting to explore some really neat places like Meow Wolf. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. We will talk to you in another video.